I am Marc Morel. I am hydrologist in the Institute of Research for Development, and I am the Balwise coordinator since 2003. So we are organizing now the third Balwise conference in Ohrid in May, during the last week of May, like for all the conferences of Balwise. The first one was in May 2004, and the second one in May 2006. So the main concern of this conference is to bring together the scientists in this area, in the Balkan Peninsula, to bring the scientists working in the field of water management and preservation. And the main concern of this conference is also to offer to these researchers the possibility to meet each other, to exchange ideas and information, and first of all, to present the results of their work. So what we can say about the future of this conference is that we want to continue to improve not only this type of meeting, but also to develop some activities between these different teams. It means that we want to push them and to help them to launch some new projects concerning the different issues related to the water and environment. These issues can be very large, and for example, you know that we are here in one area with a lot of shared transboundary waters, and like Ohrid and Prespa, and of course to face the different problems and issues and challenges offered by the sharing of these waters, the people have to collaborate between them. So what we want to improve in Balwise is this collaboration between the people together at the regional level of the Balkan. Concerning climate change, for example, it is obvious that they have to work together also, because we cannot imagine that one team can work only at the scale of his own country without taking account what is happening in the countries around. So it is obviously that they have to work together to exchange their data and to work together with the same methodologies on their data. The main objective of all this work, of course, is to try to face the main problems that we have to face. We have in this area concerning the preservation of the biodiversity. So for that, it is necessary to find new methods to avoid the use of so much pesticides, for example. Because everybody knows that if you are putting pesticide in agricultural fields, these pesticides are going more or less fast through the rivers, and after that through the main lakes which are in this area. And sometimes